Hey friends, so just going to show you how you can make a nice little mask just from a regular plain white t-shirt. So this is all it is. It's just a white t-shirt. And I think this is a cotton polyester blend, 50-50 Hanes white t-shirt. Doesn't really matter. Alright, so first off, with the edges, just fold it in half so it's right down the middle, just like right along the thing, and you're gonna have the corners right there. So you just take your little scissors and you can just cut just like a little hole here if you want, just right there on the end. This is double seamed here on the bottom, so it'll hold better. Just like that little hole. Ow, that is show. Okay. Now these are just regular paper clips, and I just bent them a little bit so they're kind of like little hooks. But to get it through the hole, I'm just gonna open that one up, and then just pass it through the hole there, like that. And then I'm just gonna bend it that way. Get the cloth down there. And then we're just going to bend it like that, okay? And same thing with this other side, and that way you can see it's just going to kind of clip on there like that. You can kind of push these together if you want. Super easy to do. Okay, and this next one, same thing. Depends on how big your hole is. I can just pass that through there, and then I'm just going to slide it, the fabric, down through there, so it makes kind of like a hook thing. So now you got your two clasps, and you can use like that. That's kind of how we're going to attach it together. So okay, so now we have that. We can go with some design. If you want to design your shirt like I did, what you want to do is you want to turn your shirt inside out, because this is where the mouth is going to go. And say we place that like face down. All right, so inside out, and then your tag here is going to be face down. Okay. Now this part is the second part that goes over your face as well. So I got some fabric pens here. And you get a little creative with whatever you want to do. I was just thinking about drawing drawing a mouth on here or whatever. So about middle way or whatever, you can kind of figure out where, this is probably where your nose is going to be. So you can do your mouth like right here if you want, like a kind of a rounded thing like that. All right. And then however you want to design it, you can do a tongue hanging out. I'm going to do some just some teeth here or whatever right now. You can use a marker too if you want. These are fabric pens for marking fabric, for drawing on it. Something like that. And like I said, you can do whatever you want. It's your mask. So if you want to put pink and purple polka dots on it, have at it. Just be careful you're not using maybe a pen that's got some smell to it or whatever, like a magic marker or something that you shouldn't be smelling. So you don't want to be putting that over your face like that. So here's kind of just what I'm doing here. Yeah, this is super. I'm not the best drawer, obviously, so just can do whatever you want, like it, Just have fun with it, Okay, so I got my teeth, I got my mouth there. I got this all set up, and now I'm going to just show you guys how to wear it. So first thing you want to do, let's turn this back inside out, or right side out, I guess I should say. And then you just put it on like a normal t-shirt. So, you know, just a tag over your head, or just put it over with the tag in the back. All right. So actually, let's go to that. Let's do that real quick. All right, head through the t-shirt there, and then just hold up on your ears like that. All right. Alright, so now that you have that, then this, the bottom part, you just kind of bring it up, tuck everything else inside. Go ahead and grab your two safety pins here, your clothespins, safety pins, paper clips, I'm sorry, my goodness. Alright, bring this part over the top like that, okay? So it's like this, you're going to hold it like that, you're going to bring the bottom part up and over like that, and then these go behind, and they just clasp together like that. Okay, then you can adjust your mask however you want to. So you got double layer here of, and that didn't turn out too great, but you can do that down there if you want. It's kind of like whatever, you know. So that's kind of how it is. And you can do whatever design you want on here. I guess my mouth is a little bit too big there. But you can see it kind of offers some protection. And it's super easy to do. It's going to stay on there. It's not going to fall off. Also, if you want, like you can get the sleeves out here through the sides. And you could tie them behind your neck too if you wanted, for like kind of a tighter look there. But it's all up to you, you know. We're all just trying to stay safe here and do the best we can. So in a pinch, you can make a cool little mask out of your t-shirt. Yeah, super easy to do, and a couple of paper clips and you're good to go. So, all right, my friends. So, and when you want to take it off, if you can do it yourself, cool. It's hard to when you can't see sometimes. Let's see, but there we do. I just did it. So these just come unhooked, just like you would unhook something normally. And there you have it. And then you can just take it off like a regular t-shirt, or just wear it if you want, so whatever. So that's it. You just pull this over your face, bring up the bottom part like I did, like that. Grab your two paper clips and just attach them like that. And there you go. So thanks for watching this video. Everyone, stay safe out there. Have a great day, and remember social distancing. Take care.